You know him as the gate man on AY's crib, your election interpreter on AY Live, 2-time sold-out concert on the Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Lagos. UYO, get ready for the Chronicles of Ushbebe Live on the 28th of August 2015. Comedy by AY, Gandoki, Akbororo, Helen Paul, Acapella, Elenu, Dan the Humorous, music by Inyanya, Terry G, Techno, Imanse, and many more. Venues: Emerald Event Center, 119 Edith Akman Avenue. Time: red carpet 6 p.m. Show starts at 7 p.m. Gate fee 2,000 naira regular, VIP 5,000 naira, and 300,000 naira for a table of 10. Tickets available at Monty Suites, 37 General Edith Akman Avenue, Davok Suites, Plot S9, Unit G, Ewet Housing Estate. Any Stores Limited, Plot 10, Unit C, Ewet Housing Estate, and Planet FM. Or call 0818-247-6284 and 0703-019-6483. The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live UYO, August 28th. Supported by Hip TV.